for northern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Newtown Square to Newcastle, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusting and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Wilmington, Newark, West Chester, West Deptford, Pennsville, Yedden, Westbound, Carneys Point, Conshohocken, Hatboro, Falcott, Foldsmore, Ellesmere, Paulsboro, Newcastle, Penns Grove, and Salem. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 1 and 2. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 333 and 346. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 17, and between mile markers 19 and 23. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 3 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 330 and 350. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 21. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 19. For your protection, those who live on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding.